Hi everyone. So my name is Michael. I'm the founder at AI Camp. I want to tell you a personal story why I started AI Camp. So I graduated from Stanford in 2012 with a PhD in applied physics. And then I spent about 6 months trying to find a job. Eventually, I did land a job as one of the three founding software engineers in Granular. But during that 6 month period of time, I could never forget every day at 4 p.m. I have to get out of the home because my roommate, who is a Google engineer, would come home around 4 p.m. I didn't want him to see me basically staying at home and not having a job while I just graduated from Stanford with a PhD. So that was kind of like shame on me. But then when I look at the whole broad experiences, it turns out this is basically there's a huge disconnection between our schools and industries. And so, after Granular, I started this company called Wolf Career, which is basically a site for people to share their job experiences so that, all these students will get informed as what kind of jobs are out there and what kind of skills they would require. So that didn't really go so well because we lack essentially a business model. But this time around, this is 2019. I started this thing called AI Camp, where we actually, teaching students about AI. But what we are really trying to do is actually to give them basically a good chance to look into what a job really is like. So far, we have great traction, and we hope that we can share with you and have your guidance at YC. Thank you.